गया, देखो वो आ गया, जोमेटो वाला आ गया मेरा 5 स्टार होटल का खाना लेके, पर साइकिल में, क्योंकि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है। टुडे इज संडे एंड वीकेंड में अच्छा खाना तो बनता है। दैट इज व्हाई आई ऑर्डर्ड अ लंच बॉक्स फ्रॉम अ 5 स्टार होटल एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 450 rupees only. If you want to know how you can get a buffet box from of a 5 star hotel at this less price, please watch the video till the end. In Kolkata, I am seeing during this lockdown, many delivery boys of Zomato are using cycle for the food delivery. For this reason, you can find your food not so warm when it is delivered from a distant restaurant. मिल गई डिलीवरी, देख के तो लग रही है बहुत सारा खाना है। अब जाके घर पे ओपन करते हैं तब पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या है। First, let us sanitize the whole package and then we will open and see what are the foods there. As written in the package here, this box is biodegradable and eco-friendly. Kulja Sim Sim. This box contains salad, brownie, and starter and chaats. Starting from beginning, chicken Hawaiian salad, green salad, brownie, aloo tikki chaat, 4 pieces of fish amritsari and 4 pieces of chili chicken dry. Now inside the paper bag there is a paper packet. Let me open the paper packet and see what is inside. Inside the paper package there are 2 aluminium foils. One seems to be papad and one seems to be the bread item. This is the only buffet box where I found a soft drinks inside. Inside the bag there was a Coca-Cola can. At the bottom of the package, I found this small sachet of sanitizer, which is a very good initiative to protect their customers. While opening the box, I found that the packaging was so good that there was no spillage even in one box. अब सैनिटाइज़र सैचे दिया ही है तो यूज़ भी कर लेते हैं। लेट मी यूज़ दिस सैनिटाइज़र फर्स्ट बिफोर ओपनिंग द फूड बॉक्सेस। Now let me open the boxes one by one and show you the food. In the first box there is 2 pieces of fish masala. In the next box there is sweet dish called langcha. Though in the menu it was written that there will be 2 pieces of langcha, but they have given 3 pieces of langcha. In the next box there is a chicken item, 2 pieces of chicken. Next is dal makhani. And the next box is of chili paneer dry. In the next box there is veg awadhi korma. I think this is a mixed veg kind of sabji. In the next box there is a green chutney. Though green chutney was not written in the menu, it was written as raita, but they have given 2 boxes of green chutney. I don't know why. Maybe it can accompany the starter. Now comes the sauce topper, the mutton biryani. See, it comes in a big box and it has few pieces of mutton including aloo and egg. Now let's see the mutton biryani. Now inside the aluminium foil there is 2 pieces of lachha paratha and 1 piece of papad. Though this lunch box is for one person, but the food seems to be more than sufficient for 2 people. Here I have placed the mutton biryani in a plate. If you want to buy a regular plate of mutton biryani from any shop, it will cost you around 300 to 350 rupees. So all this food at a price of approx 450 is a pocket friendly option as per me. Here see the mutton pieces in the biryani. They are soft and well cooked. Other than 4 pieces of mutton, this biryani also had a big piece of aloo, a piece of boiled egg and sufficient amount of rice. This is the Tangra chili chicken dry in the starter. The chicken pieces are also cooked very well. Since Ananjit loves to eat starter, today he will be doing the food review of the starter.
बहुत टेस्टी है.
The thickness of dal makhani is also very good. This is the veg avdi korma, which has green peas, carrot and beans along with cauliflower. This is the murg lababdar, which has 2 decent pieces of chicken. Now I will show you step by step how you can order this 5-star food box at such a minimal price. First, open the Zomato app and in the search bar you write there Social Kitchen. It will appear as Social Kitchen Holiday Inn, and if you scroll down in the Social Kitchen menu option, you will find the non-veg lunch box for one person at a price of 599 rupees. After giving Pro discount and SBI card discount, I got a total discount of around 240 rupees. So the price of this box came down to 460 rupees only. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Lifestyle with Shudaishnas, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.